beautiful babes? It's your girl, Sweet Angel. Welcome back to Life with Sweet Angel and Mike. Today, y'all, we have a little bit of a home DIY project going on. Our shower head busted and we needed a new one. So, of course, you know me, I always turn to Amazon, and listen, I found this one. Great price, $34.99. It also had an extra $2 off, so I applied the coupon, paid about $32.99 for it. There was no shipping, taxes, anything like that. I am an Amazon Prime customer, you already know. This is the ANZA high pressure handheld shower head with hose. Y'all, I love handheld shower heads. Absolutely perfect. Even when you're cleaning the shower, these come in so handy. And this one also comes with a long hose on it. So that's another great plus. But you know what? Enough of me talking. This is definitely what I needed, but I do need for Mike to go ahead and install this. So guess what? We're going to hand this off to him and let him get started with it. But before we do that, y'all make sure, if you're not subscribed to Life with Sweet Angel and Mike, you go ahead and take care of that little housekeeping right now, because we need your support right here. We are heading towards that 2,000 subscriber mark, and we want you to be part of it. So please make sure you do that. All right, beautiful babes. Enough of my jibber jabber. Let's turn this over to Mike. So while Mike is busy putting this shower head up, let me just tell you a little bit more about it. Again, I got it from Amazon. I'll have the link below for you. And of course, you know, I am an Amazon affiliate. And anytime you make a purchase on Amazon using one of my links, I will be paid a small commission. And I know you don't mind supporting this channel like that. Listen, y'all, when it comes to this ANZA high pressure handheld shower head with a hose, this is what you're looking at. It comes with 6 spray settings for better shower experience. Exactly what I was looking for. It says here that it's designed to work well with high and low water flow. This handheld shower head allows you to enjoy the wonderful shower experience you want with just a slight push on the click dial. Rainfall, wide massage, full cover rain, power massage, rain massage, water saving pause. How about that? 6 settings just for you. And then it comes with pressure boosting with precision engineered nozzles. It's absolutely amazing. And y'all, it was so easy to install. I was impressed how quickly Mike had finished it. I was like, what? Yeah, it installs in minutes. Definitely so easy, and you don't need a plumber. Well, Mike's gonna be my plumber. That's what I love. And he's busy at it, and let him carry on. Again, all of the links will be below just for you, and check it out. And beautiful babes, you already know I thank you so much for stopping by, or may I say, we thank you so much for stopping by. Let me let this man do his work, and I will see y'all on the next video. Bye.